Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a box here. It's a diamond art painting. I just turned on my ring light, so hopefully that helps. But yeah, so they were doing this like promotion where if you got one of their free Diamond Art Club paintings, then you could add on like some of their like other stuff, like their drills or their pens that they make, or their light pads. I wanted a light pad just because I'm having difficulty seeing the symbols. Right now I'm actually in the middle of doing a diamond painting, so I wanted to just see what this one looked like. It looked really cool too, so I wanted to see what it would look like. So yeah, and I wanted to see what their light pads looked like. Sorry, I had to think for a bit. Okay, so let me just open this. Oh, geez, tough tape. So I am a affiliate with Diamond Art Club, so I will have my affiliate link in the description box for you guys if you guys would like to check that out. So yeah, such a big box for like 2 little items. I don't get it. So this is what the painting looks like, and it's a round, which I prefer. I don't like the square just because they're harder to place onto the canvas, for one, and I'm not used to working with square drills, so I'm really glad this is round and it's like tiny, so I can finish this up pretty quickly. So I might put this big one aside for now and just work on this one. But this one is called Soulmates, and that's what it looks like. Sorry if you guys can't see it very well. I don't know if that helps or not. But yeah, so that's the diamond painting. And then in this little box, I have the light pad. So I'm not sure what kind of light pad this is. They just said, hey, do you want to add a light pad onto your order? I'm like, okay. Why not? I have the hardest time opening packages. I don't get it. There we go. Okay, so there we go. So this is the light pad. It's very sleek and, well, let me take it out of the packaging before I say that. And it comes in this like little bubble wrap thing. Okay, so here's the light pad. And it looks like it's a pretty good size for what I'm going to be using it for. And the good thing about light pads is that they're really good at helping you with the symbols. So it just plugs in right there, if you guys can see that. Right there. And it comes with a pretty long USB. So I can plug this into my power bank and I can just work on my diamond painting with that. So that is perfect. So yeah, guys, that is my diamond painting haul, I guess you could call it. I'm gonna be starting this tonight. I know I haven't really been posting videos much lately. Work has just been hectic and crazy, and just I'm trying to find time to film videos, and it's pretty hard because I start work at 12 now, so I mean, it's not that bad, but I prefer 12:30 just because I have more time in the morning. So but yeah, guys, that's everything. I will be posting another video here shortly. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe. And until next time, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.